Hey guys, back with another video for my addicted blogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing about the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch and the top tips and tricks we can perform with this smartwatch. So the Amazfit GTS 3 has been there for a while, and this watch comes with a lot of cutting edge features, as this comes under the premium segment of smartwatches. So we will be discussing about the top tips and tricks which you can perform with this Amazfit GTS 3. So these tips and tricks can be performed with another third-party app, which is the Notify app, and the usual Notify app which is available for other Amazfit smartwatches is not working with this Amazfit GTS 3. So in that case we need to download another app, which I will be leaving the link in the description so that you people can download the app easily. So this is the app, and this app comes with the name of Notify for smartwatches. So if you come to Play Store and search for Notify for smartwatches, you will get this app, which you need to connect with the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch to perform all these tips and tricks with this watch. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first tips and tricks which you can perform is the quick reply. So we all know that you can click and send quick replies via this Amazfit GTS 3, and quick reply sending is very much easy with this watch. What you need to do is you need to come to the Notify for smartwatches app, connect Amazfit GTS 3, and once you click on quick reply, you have to set the quick reply which you want to send. So once you receive a message in your Amazfit GTS 3, you just need to click on this music player, and you just need to go to the quick reply option to send a quick reply to the person who has sent you the message. So this is how you can send the quick reply. The second thing you can do with this Amazfit GTS 3 is you can open external apps with a click of a button. So if you come to the button option in this app, and once you are in the button option, you can configure the buttons to particular actions, and you can select here to start the external app. So you can start the external app and you can select any app. I will recommend you to select the Spotify app. Once you assign the Spotify app, you just need to go to the music player, and once you open the app, you can see the Spotify app will be open, and now you can just listen to music if you want from directly the watch. So what is happening here is you don't need to touch your phone to listen to music. You can do that from the Amazfit GTS 3 itself. The third feature which you can do is obviously take photos, and from the rear camera and also the front camera of your phone, by assigning the buttons for the Amazfit GTS 3 itself. So what you need to do is come to the same button option, and once you are in the button option, you just need to come to settings, and here you need to select take photo rear camera option for one button, and for second button you need to select the take selfie option. And once you do that, you can definitely click pictures via the Amazfit GTS 3, which is really great, because you don't want to open the camera app always from your phone. You can use this watch as a camera remote. So the fourth useful thing which you can do with this watch is you can obviously check your phone battery whenever you want, wherever you want. So if you come to button option and select the option of phone battery, you will be getting the phone battery information at your fingertips of your phone. So sometimes what happens is we want to check the phone battery and the phone will be in the pocket, or we have given the phone for charging. In that case, we can come to the music player app and just check the phone battery. You can see it is showing me the phone battery 42%, which is absolutely correct. You can see the battery is 42%. So this is how you can get the phone battery information also. Fifth useful thing which you can do with this watch is you can change your phone to silent mode or normal mode. So you don't need to pick up your phone to toggle the silent mode in your phone. You can do that with a click in the music player of your Amazfit GTS 3. Just you need to select the option of toggle notify silent mode or toggle phone silent normal mode. So whenever you will be coming to the music player and just clicking on the button, the silent and the normal mode will be activated in your phone, which is really great. So you can see it is the silent mode now, and if I click it again, it will be in the normal mode. So this is how you can change the phone from silent to normal mode also. So it is particularly useful whenever you will be in a meeting or you will be going to somewhere where you need to put your phone to silent mode. Just click on your Amazfit GTS 3, that will do it. Also some of the bonus features, like you can raise or lower the phone volume as per your wish. So if you select raise and lower volume, you can do that with your Amazfit GTS 3 itself from the music player. So which will be great because you want sometimes to change the phone volume. You can see the phone volume is decreasing and increasing. So you can do this with the Notify app also, which is really great. So these are the top tips and tricks you can do with the Amazfit GTS 3 with the third party Notify app. So definitely a lot of things you can do with this Amazfit GTS 3 and the Notify app. So definitely you can make this watch a lot more feature rich with these tips and tricks, and you can perform these tips and tricks and make your life a lot more easier with the Amazfit GTS 3. So that's it for now. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.